Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can turn off swipe down action on the lock screen. See here, there are two mobiles with me now. One is the Realme and another is the Motorola. So I'll be locking both these mobiles, right? So this is in the lock state. This is also in the lock state. Yeah, so now if I swipe from top to bottom, there is no quick settings getting opened here. So for this mobile, we'll see here the quick settings are getting opened. So say for example, assume your phone is in others hand and they can see your Wi-Fi name, your Bluetooth name. They can turn on the hotspot here. Okay, likewise they can do actions without even opening your lock screen. So this is the privacy concern, but on this mobile, see here, even on the lock screen there is no access for the quick settings. So this is because I have disabled quick settings here. Now I'll tell you how you can disable. So this is Realme and this is Moto, right? Slightly the settings will be different. Okay, so click on the Android phone settings here, and here also click on the Android phone settings, and here you need to reach to home screen and lock, and go to the quick settings, or simply you can just on this search you can just search as quick settings, as because these are the quick settings. Here are the quick settings, and this will be turned on. Allow quick settings on lock will be turned on. What you need to do is you just need to turn off this. Okay, find the quick settings here. These are under notification and quick settings. Okay, if you want the perfect navigation, see here, notifications and the quick settings. Under quick settings you need to disable this option. If you enable this and if you lock your screen, and now you can see the control center. In Motorola mobile the settings are quite different. On your Android phone settings, you need to click on lock and home screen. Under control center, allow access to quick settings, right? Allow access to quick settings, you need to disable this. And on the lock screen also, show device controls, you need to turn off these two, and now they can't open this swipe down action. So we are disabled swipe down actions for the privacy concerns. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.